you know it's going to be a good day. When I start out the video wearing a frame like this, one of the new titanium releases from T Henri, we have the brand new Drophead. To start with, for all of the details in the construction itself of these, check out the video on the Berlinetta. We dive into more of that. This one, we're going to kind of focus on just the overall look, feel, and fit of, the Drophead. Let's get into it. So right out of the gate, me personally, not a huge fan of aviators. This is one of the sickest aviators I've ever put on. I have said before there are aviators I could tolerate and that I liked. This one is something really, really special. So the Drophead is always going to be your convertible inspiration. And if this does not give you the vibes of something to wear, cruise with top down through a beautiful mountain pass, the billowing echoes of the diesel burbles and overrun crackles and engines blaring as you accelerate from the apex onto the next straightaway, we probably shouldn't be friends. Now, if all of that sounds excellent, then this is your pair of sunglasses, and I won't take no for an answer. This is going to fit on a lot of different faces beautifully because of the way he's cut this lens, and really just a sick looking frame. This is in the Lure Blue colorway, which we have the 18 karat yellow gold finish accented by incredible blue enamel. Now, these are a little bit different in the blue enamel than the combinations you'll see that are all plated finishes, just because of the way the process works, right? The baked on enamels can't be deposited as tiny. So you get a little drop in the detail work because it's not quite as crisp with the enamel finish where it builds up versus where the plating really deposits down firmly to all of these details. So you get a little softening through here. You know, you don't have that deep contrast through here where this is milled out. So you don't have the two different finishes there, but you do get a really cool little touch on the tip on this one is because you do still have that blue on the hex head. So everything is still coordinated in the same fashion as it is on the other frames, but you get that blue enamel for the bridge detailing as well as the arrow detailing down through here and right there on the arms. Every one of these individually designed, hand-drawn by the master himself, which if you haven't caught that chat, we actually got to sit down with Tyler and do a video with him and some of these new releases coming out a couple months ago. We need to do that again soon. We have an expo coming up. Maybe we can make something happen. But anyways, so the overall fit and feel of these is good. Really nice on kind of a medium to a large face. A smaller face could wear these pretty well just because, you know, any of the aviators are meant to be a little bit oversized, right? So I'd say a large head would have a little bit of trouble with this. My head's kind of average size. I wear like a medium to a large in a helmet depending on the shape. So yeah, pretty good fit there. I wouldn't go much larger because, you know, we're making contact here all the way back really nicely. So good fit and feel on that. Sizing lens-wise, you're talking, we are a 58 millimeter lens and about a 15 bridge, 140 millimeters temple, which is always nice. So you've got that length there to do really well. I will say I'm impressed with the grip of these, the overall feel and not falling off. I've not adjusted these, I promise you. I have not taken a frame of this expense and pre-adjusted it to me to make it look good on camera. This is just, it's a good, well thought out fit and feel. And then you do have the titanium or ceramic, I don't know which, I need to find that out. Nose pads here, which it's kind of cool. They always have this little bit of a cooling effect, really good feel on the face. You got your thicker titanium there for the edge, so it's a little bit cooler look. Well, a much cooler look overall than your average titanium frames. Really nicely done. What I love about this one, and we don't see this a lot with the thinner titanium temples, is the balance of the frame is good. It's not super front heavy. So even though the frame is really light, there's not a lot back here, the overall balance of it is incredible. These are words I don't get to say with frames with temples this thin very often. So there's some trickery here with these arrow bits and with these hex head tips and all of this. There's something going on there. What it amounts to is it feels amazing. It looks incredible. And if you can afford it, you should grab one. This particular colorway in this frame, only 85 total produced. This is number 49. Would have been really cool if we could have got number 50. But I can't beg and complain because in the Corniche, we got incredibly low serial numbers, all in the single digits. So, you know, it's spread the love around. Give those magic serial numbers to different people. Beautiful. All right, I've got to go clean all of my fingerprints up off of this and probably some drool because, yeah. The lenses on these we didn't talk about are really stunning. So we've got a soft gold flash on these. I swear he is paying too much attention to me. That coordinates beautifully with the 18 karat gold finish on the frame. The lenses themselves look great on here. That's the lighting. They are a very beautiful, rich blue. I'm gonna say about a 60 to 80% tint. Really nicely done and coordinates beautifully with the blue enamel. I can't complain. That's all I've got. It's beautiful. It's well done. Everything's nicely thought out. The details are stunning. Definitely one to add to your collection if you are capable of doing so. If you are not, it is one to sit and drool over, just as I am doing right now. I can't stop looking at the sunglasses while we're talking. Okay, I'm done. You give me your thoughts on this frame. It's outrageous, right? Just absolutely unreal. Okay, let me know what you thought about this review. Tell me I'm an insane crackhead that talks too much and is all over the place. It's fine. I do my thing my way. I hope you enjoy it. I only get to touch things like this. So there you go. I gotta watch myself. I'll catch you guys next time on that note.